doing?
Well, it's finally the big day.
Special day today.
Special. No, it's not. You got super glue?
Okay. Today's a special day.
Today is a very big and special day.
Yep.
Today is the day when we go get my father.
Where did they even go?
I think today's the big day. I don't know.
All right, what's today? Today's a special day, actually.
Today's a very special day. Today's the day when we go get my father's first car.
I never thought this day would come, and it felt like 15 minutes since I parked it.
This is my father's first car keys. Look, these are all the keys for the shop from way back in Jersey. See?
What would you picture me in back in the day? I was 14 years old when I started fixing this car. 14 years old. I did whatever I could. 14. I didn't even go to Voltec yet. I used to go to auto body school, you know.
So now today, doing the same thing, your first car today would be what?
A Dodge minivan? I don't know.
Yeah, like it's so like bland, you know what I mean? But what you had as a first car was so iconic and so perfect. So the question still remains, what is it?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
We have arrived, and let's go see. Are we ready to see the hot rod?
Here we is. Bringing back a little nostalgia over here today. I had a lot of fun in my first car.
It was always there for you too. All right, here we are. Now, which car is this? You think this?
Oh man, come on, I didn't drive a Volvo. What am I, you?
Is it the Rat Rod Bug? No. Is it this Rabbit? No. Is it the 2002?
No. There it is. There it is.
That's it, right there.
This is the car that took me to work, hang out with friends, and drive around, and drove me to school, and that was my transportation, my first car right here. Used to race around, lost my license in this car.
How many times?
This car has a heck of a
Twice?
history
Once?
because once with this one, and then another time with a nasty Camaro I had. But this one, 5 months, I had my license gone.
There you go.
I had a modified Volkswagen engine. Dual carbs, everything. I put a Porsche transmission in this car and a modified Volkswagen engine. I had a pretty good sized tire. This thing would go like crazy.
So
now there are things that I always wanted to do with this car, which I never had the money to do. And then you know, life goes on. I got something else, whatever the case was. I wanted to be a big sunroof, big rag top. I want to chop the top, you know, and stuff like that.
It's still got.
Then you get busy with this, and then you get busy with that. Next thing you know, life's going by, and you know, I have a high school reunion coming up. How funny would it be to go to the high school reunion in my high school car? It'll be pretty sharp, huh?
It would.
All right, come on.
With that being said, take it over. No.
Let's pull it out.
So
right?
let's start.
Got a lot of stuff to move. This is all the thing.
Okay. That's one.
Oh wow, there it is.
Oh boy. Look at the rims you got on the front.
Yeah, those are all Craigers.
I love your tire valve cap.
These are the first set of rims that I had on this car.
Oh yeah?
Because we had another junk car. It was a street machine. Cool looking car. White bug. Like I said, I didn't have much money, so I took whatever I had hanging around. I haven't seen the front of this car in a long time. You know that?
See, these fenders are actually pretty uncommon because it's got the old steel beam headlights. 66 and down. Fiberglass flared fenders. See that?
This was painted outside. Came out beautiful. No buffing, no nothing, just the factory orange peel. This is not the first paint job I did. I painted a single stage burgundy. Then when I knew what I was doing, 18, 19, I stripped everything and I painted the whole car. And I painted in here too, look. The inside of the headlight bezels are painted.
Now this is not a candy. You always wanted a candy.
I wanted a candy color, but I didn't have enough peppers. Is this a cigar box? Senate Club. Anybody know what this is?
What's this?
Yeah, that's for like a house. Is that what that is? Oh man, this is the front of it.
1998.
Yeah.
So the last time this thing was on the road was in the 1900s.
Yo, go easy with that because I'm not that old.
No, you're still a spring chicken.
You make it sound like I went truffle hunting with George Washington and stuff.
No.
Let's do it. Wow, I haven't seen this car in the open in a long time. Oh man. I can't believe we just dug this car out. This is putting me back in the day.
This thing hasn't seen daylight in a while.
We're together with this one. I feel the way this car looks.
Yeah.
Exactly the same. We'll make it better.
Pops.
There it is.
It's here. Finally, it's
finally
here.
Finally here.
Now we get to go through it.
I've been meaning to do this for a while.
Hey, bro, come on. It's going to be actually a really fun project. I already started ordering parts.
Did you really?
Yeah. Floors, rockers, heater channels.
Cool. Wow, that's really on there, huh? This ain't gonna be easy. Pull towards you. I got a whole bunch of windows in here. Some stuff broke, some stuff didn't. Can we get these
Like
windows
what?
out of here? There's see this Volkswagen emblem in here? That's my old window. I had a Volkswagen emblem over here.
What happened to the back window?
What happened to the back window? Do you really want to know?
I have a feeling I know. Is it tied together with the side?
It's tied together with all these dents. You have damage here. You have damage here.
On your wing.
Here, okay? You have damage here. You have damage here. You have damage here. See? My mirror is busted off. You want to know what happened to why there's damage? The other side's mint still.
Yeah.
Want to know what happened? This car was parked in a garage before I moved here. In this one garage that we as a family had. We used to use. Okay? Some people get jealous of others. And they have a hard time expressing their feelings and just saying, I'm a loser, or I'm gonna try to do better. It's one thing I was jealous of anybody, ever.
Right.
You doing good? Hope you're doing it for yourself, because I really don't give a shit. God bless, is what I'm trying to say. Somebody, not you personally.
No, I know,
But
yeah.
a person in general,
Yeah.
if they're doing good for themselves, I'm all for it. Well, some people don't know how to handle it. I was never competing. I was just going with the flows, the kind of person I am. I built a car, a hot rod and stuff. I got a lot of attention with this car. Some people want the attention for themselves. It's a form of narcissism.
Very
Now,
common, actually.
This certain person
Okay.
that I never got along with, okay?
Yeah.
Because of the same reason, God forbid, somebody else gets attention other than little goody two-shoes. He breaks up and folds up into pieces. I was always a winner. However, anybody wants to look at it, I always came out with the trophy, and I always came out on top. No matter how many times these certain people tried to knock me down, I got up even stronger. Okay?
Basically, they didn't like that you were doing good for yourself, I guess.
So I was supposed to be the loser, and they were supposed to be the winner. It's funny, because it worked the other way around. You can't polish a turd. You ever hear that saying?
Yeah, I sure
And
did.
that's how it goes for a lot of people. So this certain person got the key to the garage, where this was the last car. I'm sorry, there was another one that he got a hold of, and he went into the garage, had all the time in the world to think about it, because it wasn't right next to him. The garage, you had to go to the garage.
Right.
Waltzed his way over, because by then people cool it. Walked in, opens the garage door, and hit it with, I guess, a hammer, because he doesn't really have the strength to even hold himself up. So he hit my fender. Look what a beautiful job. These fenders were $300 in 1991. Find fenders together back then was really rare. I wanted flared fenders. I wanted,
Flared, 66 and down flared fender.
I wanted that street machine look. Kicks the door at the least, or hit it with the hammer. Then he went back here and he hit everything with the hammer to try to knock me down again. Do you know how many other times they did it to me? And a whole bunch of those times they think that I don't know it was them. but I do.
I do have another question. Why
Yeah.
is the passenger side good?
Because that side was up against the wall and there was a lot of stuff around the car.
So you couldn't get to it.
But this car was there for me through thick and thin, through good and bad, and I will never get rid of this car. And you want to know what? I'm going to be there for it again. I'm going to fix it. We're going to fix it.
We're gonna fix it. Now,
So me and my kid are going to fix my car because next year, me and this handsome fella are going to fix this for my high school reunion. My 30 year? No. Is it 30?
it's 30.
Lee, 30-year reunion? I could deal with that.
He's like that guy.
Wow, huh?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I think it would be cool and nostalgic to pull up in my high school car playing 90s mixes. Because that's what was on radio.
Yeah.
I don't even know one song that was out back then. Because I had a cool sound system in it.
Yeah.
I fixed the quarter panel to put the radio in this car. The guy used to work at Best Buy. I fixed the quarter panel on his Isuzu, and because he used to work there, he stole me he got me a radio out of there.
Well,
and
where
I
did
put it
he
in my
work?
car because I couldn't afford a kicker, so I got whatever came my way, you know.
Yeah.
But imagine this car with a kicker set up, all hooked up.
Don't worry about it. I got a guy.
Huh?
I got a guy.
You got a guy?
Yeah.
When's the last time you said you had a guy? What happened? That's when you got the assortment.
Exactly.
Of both.
I got a
That was a
guy.
girl, not a guy.
She hooked me up.
What a guy.
So anyway, now it's time to go through it.
You can check it out. Who knows what's in here?
Okay.
All right, here. Put
Love
this
your
in
door
there.
panels, by the way. It doesn't get any more 90s than that.
You want to know the story with the door panels? I needed door panels. I wanted a certain kind of door panels. They didn't have them. There's one place that I used to deal with. I didn't have a credit card. I was 17. So what happened was this is the only thing he had on the shelf. So I'm like, you know what? It's better than an open door.
Yeah.
I wanted to drive my car.
Yeah.
So I bought these. I says temporarily. Temporarily, I'll put these door panels on. They're still on the car after like 30 something
They look good. It's just as 90s as it
No,
gets.
they don't look good. They don't. They never did. But you know what? I was so excited to get in my car. I needed door panels.
I remember that the newer Beatles that says fasten seatbelts.
Yeah. And it would go.
Yeah,
the little buzz.
like my voice, what was it, a couple months ago?
Well, you know, want to know what's special about this car? I fabricated in a 5-speed Porsche transmission in
Yeah.
this car.
Yep.
You know, and with the modified Volkswagen engine, I could pull from like Trans Ams and stuff from their time.
Oh, yeah, I bet. Yeah.
I could pull away from them with this thing.
Yeah.
Tachometers falling off. What do you got in there?
Okay. What does this say?
Oh boy. Yeah, don't read that.
Chrome may not get you. Okay, we know about that. I don't think we should say that. But
Wow, there's a lot of stuff in there.
March 12th, 1996, temporary parking permit for Hanover Park High School. Oh, English Town.
Old Bridge Raceway, 4 cars in competition today because I raced it.
I guess this is where you went for your gym.
I bought my my weights. I used to buy the weights instead of go to a gym.
Okay.
Oh, this is a payment for my insurance, a pay stub because I didn't have a checking account yet. I'm 17, so I used to go get money orders to pay my insurance. $349.
It's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money. This might have been for 6 months. Look at this. This is my student parking. Where did I even have it? I don't remember where I had it.
Here you go,
Call
Al's
the phone.
Auto Parts.
Al's Auto Parts in Orange, New Jersey. This place is gone. Hey, Squid Bait.
Oh,
This place was in a movie.
Yeah.
A movie was called
Run Fast
with
Than You Can.
Caprio.
Run
You
Faster
know,
Than You Can. What was it called?
something like that.
Yeah.
With Leonardo DiCaprio. Take it faster than you can.
Catch.
Put it
Catch
faster.
as fast as you can.
Oh, catch me as fast as you can. Catch me if you can. Oh, is that right? Catch me if you can. He runs upstairs. Outside, his
Yeah.
father said to the mother, "I don't want to be with you no more." So he runs up these stairs.
Yeah, I remember.
In the background,
Yeah.
in the background
There's
of
an
those
old tow
stairs,
truck.
when he's running up, there's like an old tow truck that takes
Yeah.
place back in the day.
Yeah.
That's Al's Auto Parts. This is what you put in your window
Oh, okay.
because you didn't have an inspection sticker yet. This is a temporary inspection sticker. This goes in your window.
Oh, wait a minute. I know what this says. Lead East of 1996.
Lead East is where you were just at.
I know.
Go figure, 1996. See, my senior year, I was showing the car at Lead East that year.
Yeah.
And go figure, so many years later, you would be at Lead East as a celebrity guest on the same stretch of road that I used to bring this thing in and out of there for the car show. Actually, you know, there's a video of this
I know. I was going to say that.
1996
Of that year.
on YouTube.
Yep, you drive by.
Leroy, patch it in.
Leroy patched it out.
No, I got a better one. Leroy, patch it in right here. That don't work. Anybody know what these are? Look at this one. I got mad at this one. Hold on. I gotta get my glasses.
What'd you do? Stole a car?
Speeding. 90 and a 45. I remember this one. I remember this one.
How fast were you going in that one?
It doesn't say. Speeding / racing?
What the hell did you do?
I don't remember this one. This one I got angry. I got mad. I don't know, it doesn't say. Well, here you go. You got some speeding tickets in here. Hanover Insurance Company, 98.
Well, that's it.
That's all of it?
And then you got change and lug nuts.
Well, here's my mirror. Broken mirror that somebody broke because that's all they're good at, breaking. What year is this from? Like 1981? What year is this from? Look at this. It's turtle wax. Look at that. It had a cage. I got Honda seats from Allstate Auto Salvage. Gone. Place closed down.
Interesting.
I painted my speedometer the color of the outside of the car. Then I started flaring the rear fenders. I started making these wider, but my body shop started really taking off the business. That's when I parked it.
Yeah.
See, because the flare that it had was terrible, so I made them bigger, and I never finished them. See, and then I parked it, and that's it. Sat since then.
Miles, only one more spot to look.
Oh, where's my bumpers? Oh!
There they are.
You know why I took these off?
Why?
Because they didn't fit in the storage space that I had for like an inch or 2 inches, so I could close the door. So I took the bumpers off. These I made these. These are homemade. They're all butchered together.
Yeah. Butchered them.
Let's see. I made a spare tire because the hood was lower. There's a whole bunch of tools in there. There's my bumper. Oh, that was the engine compartment. A louvered thing so that, you know, for the engine compartment.
So you had to drill holes in the.
Look, Porsche trans, stabilizer bars.
You have to drill holes for this,
Yeah,
obviously. Yeah.
those were the days.
Yeah. But anyway. No. Come on. How happy are you that your high school plug's at the shop?
I'm very happy.
Show yourself.
I'm gonna try and explain how happy I am. Ready?
No. I want you to go like this. Pow.
Pow, like that?
Yeah.
You're dirty.
No, we gotta do the pre-fall.
Taking over the world.
One set of high school bugs come to the shop at a time with parking permits.
Come on, take it apart. Let's go.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.